A Wiener Schnitzel. I think that means like Vienna pieces or something like that. Is launched at 92.3 meters per second at an angle of 34 with low, fast launch. That's what you want to do with your Wiener Schnitzels, yeah? Okay, so let's see. So again, we're going to break this into components. 92.3 meters per second. That's 34 degrees. All right, so let's find the components. I'm going to go 92.3 cos 34. Enter. 92.3 sine 34. Enter. Okay, so it is 76 trombones. 76.522. 52. Oh no, wait, 0. 520. What am I doing? Meters per second in the x direction. Plus, and then it's 51.614, I'll say. I'm just rounding it to 5 sig figs. You don't have to like use the up arrow on your calculator. You can just write down 5 sig figs and do math with that. I just, there it is. Okay. Okay. So we're going to do A and B, but we won't do C right now because we got to do a separate thing, right? So let's just do A and B. Okay. So for A and B, we know this. Whoops. Well, look at that. And we know this, and we know this, and we know this, and we know this. We can infer this, and we actually know this. And we don't usually commonly use that, right? It's like we know everything but basically what they're asking us, right? Okay, so it's 76.520 and 51.614, right? The vertical displacement, since it goes up and down and lands at the same elevation, right, is 0. Final is negative 51.614. This guy's going to be 76.520. This is 0. This is negative 9.81, right? Okay. Now my favorite way to find the time is to use V as U plus AT. Right, so negative 51.614. That's my final velocity, right? Is 51.614. Plus negative 9.81 times t, right? So I'm going to take that number I have, the 51, I just go times 2 divided by 9.81, because that's what it is. If you get 0, by the way, you're just not being clever with minus signs. And so my time ends up being 10.523 seconds, roughly. I'm just rounding to 5 sig figs, right? And this is 10.523. And then I can find SS as UT, right? Because there's no acceleration, right? So it's 76 trombones, 76.52 times 10 points. It's going to go a long way. That Wiener Schnitzel is well traveled. All right. All right, that times that. Well, that's a long way. This is a long distance Wiener Schnitzel. 805 meters. All right, did we get it right? Yeah. Got the time in the air. So time in the air is 10.5 seconds. All right, well, horizontal distance, it goes 805 meters. This might actually just be a medium range Schnitzel. I just don't know. All right. Okay. I'm about to erase here, so because I'm going to do C, right? Okay, here we go. Let's do part C.